Raleigh UK, market leader in the cycle industry, first introduced the Raleigh RM1 in 1958 for the commuter. This model had no clutch and started and stopped, which back in the day was not a problem with the traffic. From 1963 to 1970, they introduced the Raleigh Runabout, which was extremely popular to pop to the shops. Also known as a chicken chaser, it came in colours red, white and blue. Deluxe models were fitted with leg shields, horns and a rear rack. The Raleigh RM7 Wisp in Spanish gold and Fiesta blue was a very popular bike for the ladies and was promoted by the model Twiggy back in the 60s. The Raleigh RM4 automatic was an introduction after the Runabout, which had a fuel tank on the frame, suspension and different braking. The Raleigh RM8 automatic Mark II, as it was known, was also like the Raleigh Runabout with a few extras. Then we have the Raleigh RM9. This is a Raleigh RM9 Plus 1, which has a dual seat. There was never a Raleigh RM10 made. Models that are very desirable are the Raleigh RM5. This was an early swinging arm type. In addition to this, the last models that Raleigh made were the RM11 and RM12, which were their premium sports models. Extremely low numbers were made and they were very desirable. Raleigh ceased production in 1970 and the main UK dealer, Applins in Bristol, bought all of their remaining parts. Thank you for watching. These bikes are all going to be auctioned at the Haynes Museum on the 6th of June 2024.